Part 2 of this AHS Capstone project is an iPhone app called Politicize. So here we're on the main screen of Politicize. This is where a user can take a look at the different kinds of questions coming in that are related to elections, voting, and politics, either from a moderator or from crowdsourced means from youth around the world. There are a few things on this screen that we'll go into. First is on the left-hand side of each row, we have a number, and this refers to the number of people who answered the question. We have the question itself, and we have the ability to go into more elaboration. So that's where you can provide your response, look at what other people have said, and also categorize a question as you see fit for yourself. The question we'll take a look at is this one. Did you vote by mail? 10 people answered it so far. So I did not vote by mail. I actually voted in Needham, Massachusetts in 2012. So I want to categorize this. Yes, I'm going to say it's my vote. And now I want to see other responses. So it's interesting. 90% of the people that have responded so far actually did vote by mail. If I was able to see the geographical location of these people, for instance, it would tell me whether that country or that region of the world has an effective infrastructure in place to allow people to vote by mail and not have to come to a voting booth. It says whether there are not enough voting booths for these people in the world to physically go to cast their vote, and so mail works better. Other factors like that can also help with this analysis. Some improvements to this app that would help, this is one, including the location or region in the world that other respondents have talked about or spoken on behalf of, and of course being able to see all of their elaborated responses. Those are extensions of the app that will be added later on. As new questions start piling in, the user has the ability to follow or unfollow the certain questions that they really have an interest in. Let's say that I don't really care about the question, are you of age to vote? I can simply remove the question and follow just the ones that I really have an interest in finding out more about. Finally, just to learn more about the app and sort of where the beginnings of the app are, you could go to the About page and read about Politicize.